Ebony, you're looking out at this picturesque view. It takes you back in time.
You definitely have a sense of family that comes through in the style and the people that work here.
Here at Singita, wherever you go, you see magic.
All your senses are heightened, and we'll hear the sand crunching underneath our boots, the grass whispering past our legs, and everything becomes very still.
It always reminds me of my first time when I came to the bush. So I know exactly the emotions the guests go through. Their whole idea of Africa before they got here gets a different meaning. My time is dedicated to making the guests feel the miracle of this place.
Sustainability goes hand in hand with the conservation, working with the local producers and local farmers.
It's critical that you've got people that are part of the journey and they know that we need to protect the journey of conservation together. Singita is involved in environmental education, and that ties into the whole conservation message. Education will create leaders of conservation.
When you talk about our 100-year purpose, a lot of the time guests would say they feel like they're a part of that. They leave here knowing that they've touched lives.
Some of them, you know, they really cry when they leave here.
Once you become part of the team here, it's almost like you become bewitched by this whole experience of being around positive people.
It tells you that there is happiness here, there is life here, there is a vision here.
We're Africans. It's in our blood, it's in our soul. You're part of the bigger picture.
One of my beliefs is that humans were created to be managers, because in my world, whatever you don't manage, you lose. This is our Singita.